However, as one technological revolution promises to secure our food supply, a biological threat casts a long and menacing shadow over our current systems. This threat is not new, but it is evolving with alarming speed and severity, posing a danger that extends far beyond the farm gate. We are talking about avian influenza, or bird flu. Once considered a problem confined to poultry populations, this virus is now demonstrating a terrifying ability to cross species barriers, creating a complex and urgent challenge for global health and food security. The familiar patterns of seasonal outbreaks are giving way to a persistent, year-round crisis. Strains of the virus, such as the highly pathogenic H5N1, are no longer just a concern for chickens and turkeys. They are spreading relentlessly through wild bird populations, traveling across continents on migratory routes, and creating a vast, uncontrollable reservoir of disease. From there, the virus is making startling jumps into mammalian species. Infections have been confirmed in a growing list of animals, including seals, sea lions, foxes, and even domestic cats and dogs. Most recently, and perhaps most alarmingly, the virus has found its way into dairy cattle herds, a development that scientists warn could be a critical step towards wider transmission. It is a direct threat to the global food chain and the world economy. The H5N1 outbreak has already led to the culling of hundreds of millions of birds worldwide, causing massive disruptions to the supply of poultry and eggs. Prices have soared in many regions, and major exporting nations have faced devastating trade bans, leading to billions of dollars in economic losses. The discovery of the virus in dairy cattle has introduced a new layer of uncertainty, raising questions about the safety of milk and the stability of the dairy industry, a cornerstone of nutrition for billions. Beyond the economic and agricultural impact, the most profound fear is the risk to human health. While human cases of H5N1 remain rare, they are occurring, and the fatality rate is disturbingly high. Each time the virus jumps from a bird to a mammal, it has another opportunity to mutate and adapt, potentially gaining the ability to spread easily from person to person. Health experts and virologists are issuing stark warnings that we are in a race against time. The world is facing a potential pandemic threat, and the lessons learned from COVID-19 underscore the critical need for proactive surveillance, global cooperation, and swift, decisive action to avert another global catastrophe.